Hello everyone, welcome to Random Trains Part 25. Oh wow, look at all these pigeons on the platform. We're catching an XPT again. But, oh hi pigeons. I think they might be coming on the XPT anyway. We got one in 17 minutes. There's an Oscar train. There's an Oscar train going to where is it? There's an Oscar that goes to Wyong. So yeah, we just have to wait. There's a train on platform 4. There are lots of pigeons. Hi Pidgeys. There's a grey one. We'll just look at pigeons in the meantime. Is the dinosaur still there? No. Hi pigeons. There's a train arriving into platform 4, so I'll just film it from here. It's a Waratah, I don't know what set it is. It's a B set, B15. B15? B15's been in some of my vlogs before. Hi pigeons. This train goes to Linfield. B15 departing platform 4. Someone's broken into the vending machine. I'm not sure if I said this before, but there's a train that goes to Wyong before the XPT. It's gonna be an Oscar train. So it's just changed. So our train is next. Yeah, our train is next. And the train to Wyong is delayed, so the train through the casino, the XPT, that's next. There are all pigeons on the power lines. That's so funny. They're on the power lines. I think they'll get scared by the train. Oh, here comes our XPT. Our XPT's coming. 1982 XPT. It's got very old air brakes. Here we go, here's Hardy.
We're in the back, we're in the back. Good luck with your family.
Listen to those old air brakes, I'm not sure if you heard them.
I think it's on the right hand side at the back, yeah. Right hand side at the back. Look for the numbers.
Here we are. 64, 63.
67, 68. Wow. There we go. These two and these two.
Ah.
So you guys want to go in the front?
Mummy can come
I'll
with
sit
me.
here.
There
Okay. Oh, comfy footrest and a tray table. I think I already showed you in the previous video, but yeah. Oh, there's another XPT. There's another XPT. Oh. Look at that XPT. This is economy class. Wow. I'm gonna test this footrest. Oh wow, yeah. Yes. That's an XPT too.
Did you get a photo of the train going? this video.
From the PSF. Can you please arm the door?
We're going. Actually, they're leaving at the same time too. Did that one stop just then? Yeah. It's moving pretty slowly, actually. These trains are about to be replaced by the Captivity. The Captivity is a train with the Mariangdi set. I don't really like it because the XPT is better. Anyway, so they are that XPT. We're on this XPT. We can just sit back and relax now. What a slow train. This will get us to Broadmeadow. We can't turn the seats
Ladies and
around.
gentlemen, welcome aboard the XPT service through to Casino. If I or any of the crew on board can be of any assistance, please do not hesitate to ask. Located in your front cockpit on the
Right, we are picking up speed now.
Conditions of travel. We ask you to take a few minutes to read through this. This service, as with all New South Wales trailing services, is strictly non-smoking and vaping and cigarettes not permitted. In carriages, vehicles, toilets, doorways, and at stopping stations. This service being fitted with a smoke detector when activated will shut down the air conditioning throughout the train and may also cause delays. We thank you for your cooperation in this matter. Toilets, rubbish receptacles, drinking waters are located in each carriage. A special needs toilet is located in car C, which is also fitted with a baby change table for parents travelling with small children. For security reasons, we ask you not to leave any valuable or personal items on your seat.
I think I did a video about this XPT before.
Free to help with your balance or disrupt the carriages. There's also a buffet located in car C. Announcements are made on the senior passenger attendant regarding food and beverage service throughout your journey. Also, our buffet is a licensed premises. You cannot consume your own alcohol on this service.
No alcohol on the train.
For any special needs or other passengers traveling with us today who may require assistance.
So in the economy class, the seats can go 28 degrees incline. 28 degrees incline, and the water, and the first class service can go 40 degrees incline.
And enjoy your journey. Once again, welcome aboard.
Okay. Just checking my phone.
I think I'm going to stop this video now, and we'll go in the buffet in a little bit.